so here I'm going to demonstrate the use of the foam roller for rolling out your spine. So what you want to do is start with resting the shoulder blades on that foam roller, and all you're going to do is you're going to keep your neck as neutral as possible. So try not to lift it up, try not to let it drop. If you need to, you can put a hand behind to help support your neck and your head. All right. Otherwise, you can put your hands on your chest or wherever they're comfortable. All right. I'm going to have you actually move your arms a bit while you're doing this. But for first thing to start, let's go nice and slow, nice and easy. This isn't a quick thing. Fascia doesn't release when it's really hard and fast. So you just want to nice and easily massage the back. And so where you stop is about here at the base, just below the base of the shoulder blades. You don't want to come down into this lumbar region. You want to stay where you're supported by ribs and not get down into the area where the spinal processes are more exposed. And then you're going to come back down. So I'm actually going to move this roller just a little bit because my head's hitting the couch. All right, so we're going to do that again. Start at the base of the shoulder blades. Gently roll. If you hit a spot where you kind of pause or it kind of feels like it's not wanting to go, then just kind of pause over that spot for a second and then continue on. Nice and gentle. Some of you may feel some things kinking and unknotting or clinching, unhinging. That's natural. If you get a little pop here or an adjustment, that's okay. So one thing that you can do is change how your arms are. So my left arm, I'm going to reach over my head as I roll, and then I'm going to bring that back, and I'm going to reach my right arm over my head as I roll and bring that back. So kind of play with changing your arm position and see how that feels. All right, let me know how it goes.